Friends, as you know, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE launch is expected on September 23. Samsung has scheduled a virtual event called Galaxy Unpacked for every fan for September 23, where it is quite likely to launch the Galaxy S20 FE aka Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The upcoming smartphone, which was initially rumored as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Lite, is speculated to come as a toned-down version of the Galaxy S20. Thus, you can expect some compromises on the part of its specifications over the company's top-end smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is, however, rumored to have a host of similarities with the Galaxy S20 series to deliver a flagship-like experience. The invite for the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked for every fan event that has been posted on the Samsung Newsroom website doesn't give any concrete details about what's launching on September 23. Nevertheless, the company says that the event is specifically meant for its Galaxy fans. This hints at the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE aka Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Samsung will host the event virtually through the Samsung Newsroom site and its social media channels, including Facebook and YouTube, at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 p.m. on September 23. The company may also put some teasers ahead of the launch. Last week, a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE product page briefly surfaced on the Samsung Philippines site. It showed the phone in cloud navy and cloud lavender color options. However, the official video inviting for the Galaxy Unpacked for every fan event suggests that the phone could come in more than the two listed color options. The listing on the Samsung Philippines site also suggested dual SIM support, as well as at least 128 GB of onboard storage on the Galaxy S20 FE. The phone is also likely to come in both 4G and 5G options, just like the Galaxy S20 series. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is also likely to come with an IP68 certified build. Besides, the phone could pack a 4500 mAh battery along with a 15W fast charging support.